Hello, for this recipe you need some sugar, butter, this is optional, salted butter, I use some vanilla flavor, this is optional too, 3 eggs, fresh milk, 1 liter, room temperature, a spatula or mixer, and a bowl to mix your ingredients, and of course your pan to cook your pancakes. So you'll start by breaking your eggs in the bowl, all your 3 eggs. And then you'll add in your sugar. This is optional at your own. I love too much sugar on my pancakes, so I put 10 big teaspoons. And then I went in with I mixed up my ingredients, the sugar and the eggs. Then I went in with my butter. You could melt your butter, but I didn't have time to melt my butter, and mix it well with the mixer. I used my manual spatula because my mixer broke and I haven't put another one. Then you will go in with your vanilla flavor. This is also optional. You mix well. And then I went in with the flour. I used half a kilogram of flour. Then I started mixing my ingredients with the milk, slowly to get a smooth consistency. As you can see, I'm mixing. And then you need some oil, so that I normally don't like to add oil on my pancakes, so normally I add some oil in my mixture and mix well. Continue mixing, and then you butter your pan. You can use butter or oil so that your mixture doesn't stick on the pan. Add your mixture in a jar and put it on your heated pan, and you'll notice your mixture is not sticking on the pan. And always check if you see the bubbles, turn it around, and voila, your pancake is ready. The color should be golden brown. My camera was not doing enough justice, but the aftermath was good. So I did the second pancake for you guys to see. And when you see the bubbles, flip it around and you can see the color consistent is good, better than the first one. And that's it. Leave it to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes at medium heat, and voila. So I continued the same process all in all until I finished cooking my mixture, as you can see. And that is the outcome of our pancake or crepe in French. It was so delicious. Let me know if you tried this menu and comment below on the description box or on my video comment section. And finally, that's our outcome. You can see how soft my pancake looks like. I think it's because of the consistency of the butter. Please try add on your butter, but this is optional. And voila, bon appetit.